Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use the WordPress Manager in cPanel. First, access the WordPress Manager application in the Software section in cPanel. Now, click on the website you want to update on the WordPress Manager. Next, click on the Manage Plugins button to the right. You will see a list of installed plugins. Click the arrows next to the plugin you want to update and wait for it to update to the latest version. Next, to update your website's themes, click the Manage Themes button to the right. You will see a list of installed themes. Select the arrows next to the theme you want to update and wait for it to update to the latest version. Note that updating your theme may cause your customizations to be lost, so ensure that you have a recent backup in cPanel. Keeping your WordPress software up to date is crucial to ensure that your website is secure and functioning optimally. To update the WordPress version, click on the Upgrade Now button. If you don't see the Upgrade Now button, it means your WordPress version is already up to date. Managing users is an essential aspect of running a WordPress site. The WordPress Manager in cPanel allows you to add and manage users without having to log in to the WordPress dashboard. To do it, click on Manage Users. You will see a list of current users on your site that you can change the password by clicking the drop-down menu. To add a new user, click on the Add User tab. Fill out the form, then click the Add User button. It is highly recommended to thoroughly explore all the features available in WordPress Manager. This platform offers exceptional capabilities, and investing time to familiarize yourself with its features will enable you to effectively manage your WordPress sites with greater proficiency.